Hello, guys. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. So this is we are sharing a stock market tracking platform which we have made. So the platform can be used by anyone, and they set certain criteria, and they get WhatsApp message the moment the stock prices hit their favorite value. So this is an example of, for example, Coal India. So as you can see, the stock prices sometimes go up, sometimes go down. And a simplest strategy which one can use is when the stock prices has gone up by a certain percentage, suppose 2% of the value you have purchased, you purchase it, you sell it, and then when again the stock price go down, you again purchase it. Right, a simple strategy of purchasing and then reinvest, selling and then reinvesting. Right. So this we have made. So for example, suppose on 19th October, 19th October, you purchased Coal India stock, and then you are waiting for the moment the stock price will go up, you will sell it, and then when it will again go down, you will again purchase it. Right. So this kind of signals which we are capturing continuously through our platform, and then we can send you a WhatsApp message, and then you can use those signals to do transactions. Right. So it will remove the burden of checking manually the stock prices again and again. Right. So I will show you an example of the platform which we have made. So this is my portfolio. I have some stocks which I have bought it at certain price. For example, gold bees I bought at 42, and then I am waiting for the signal to sell it. Like when it will reach 45 or something, I will sell it. Right. So my platform will give me a WhatsApp message. So I will give you an example of a recent example of Infosys. Right. So I initially bought Infosys stocks at 1746 rupees, and as you can see here, I will maybe zoom in here. Right. Wait, 1 minute. Yeah. So so this is a signal which I got on 19th October to sell Infosys stocks. So I bought it at 1746. Right? And then I got a signal on WhatsApp that the moment it reaches 2% higher, that 1799, I sold it, right? And then again on 21st, I got a signal. Now I was waiting for the signal that if it goes down, I'll again purchase it, right? So it went 1% down, and I again purchased it, right? So net effect was I got some profit which I had, and then I have again reinvested my money at a lower price, right? So this way we can track signals, and we just need your portfolio, which stocks you want to track, at what prices did you purchase, and then what is the percentage which you want to sell it off or purchase it, right? So what is the net effect of this reinvesting strategy which we have is uh, we got a very nice total profit, as in so within 1 month we have got 3% profit, 2.11% profit, and then it will accumulate as we go on, which I will again share with you. So, so this is a short description of our platform. If you want to subscribe to this platform, do send a message to the number given below. Thank you.